Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Leal. So for today for math, we're going to be adding 0. Okay, boys and girls, this is something you might have learned in kindergarten already. So 0 plus any number is that same number. So because they're not adding anything, the number doesn't change for our sum. So if my one part is 5 and I add 0 to it, my sum is going to stay as 5. Same thing here. If I have 4 plus 0, it's going to stay as 4. It equals 4. So what I want us to do is I want us to go ahead and grab our Go Math books. Remember, our Go Math books have the seal on it. Okay, and we're going to go to page P11. P11. If you need to pause the video, please pause it and then come back once you found the page. So I'm going to put my name at the tippy top. And it says here, to draw circles to show the number. Write the sum. Okay, so I'm going to draw 3, 1, 2, 3, plus 0, which is going to equal 3. Here, I'm going to put 0. That means I don't draw anything. Plus 5, I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is still going to equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here's some other ones, but those don't have 0, so I still need to draw my circles. So I'm going to draw one circle, 1, plus 3 more circles, 1, 2, 3. What is my sum? Well, in order to find my sum, boys and girls, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. My sum is 4. Okay. Number 4 here says 5 plus 1. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to leave like a little space here, and I'm going to add one more. To find my sum, I know I need to count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure you are drawing the circles. That's the instructions, okay, boys and girls? Now, we're going to go down here. It says 6 turtles swim. No turtles join them. How many turtles are there now? Well, I know that there's 6 turtles. And then none of them, there's none that join them. So 0, so 6 plus 0, let me draw my circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And no turtles join them. That means there's still going to be 6 turtles in the pond swimming. Okay, boys and girls? You're going to turn the page, and we're going to go ahead and do P12. P12. So I'm going to need 2 pictures here for math, okay? Right here it says draw circles to show each add-in. These are add-ins. These are our parts. Write the sum. What is the sum for 0 plus 4? So I'm not going to draw anything because it's 0. So I'm going to draw 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my sum. My sum is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 because I didn't add anything. Okay? Make it a little bit bigger for you guys. Now, I have to complete the model. We know how to do this. It's our part whole. So, first it says, complete the model and the number sentence. There are 4 goats in the barn. 3 more goats join them. How many goats are there in the barn now? So I know there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3 join them. To find my sum, I need to add them. Okay? So I want you to solve this one by yourself. Okay? So if you add 4 plus 3, you need to write the sum here, and you need to write the sum here. So make sure that you're filling it in, okay? If you need to press pause, you can press pause and solve this problem. Miss Loud is going to read the next one to set it up for you so that you can do it by yourself. So it says, write the number sentence and how many. There are 7 blue crayons and 1 yellow crayon. How many crayons are there? Well, I know that there's 7 blue crayons plus there's 1 yellow crayon. What does that equal? make sure you're drawing your picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus one more. Make sure you're drawing the correct dots if you need the help in order to do 7 plus 1. Make sure you're writing your sum here and your sum here, okay? Remember, I will correct it on Seesaw, and if it's not correct and it gets sent back, please fix it and send me another picture. And this one, boys and girls, I think you guys can do. It says draw squares. If you can't draw squares, draw circles of 3 plus 3. So 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3. All right, boys and girls, so 3 plus 3 equals blank. So this is, you need to write your sum here. All right, boys and girls, I know that was kind of quick, but don't worry. You guys will have time. This is your time to finish this. Also, boys and girls, as part of homework for math, something that you're going to do on your own without Miss Leal is a math journal. So you guys have the shape graph one that needs to be done today. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut and glue in your journal. Remember, our journals are those black and white ones. You need to cut the heading out of the shape graph, and you need to, so you're going to cut it out and glue it in. All I want you to really do is you're going to count how many circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to color in 5 squares. And then if you're going to count how many squares are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you're going to count and color in. How many triangles? Count and color in. Then it's asking which one has the greatest, so which one has the most, and which one has the fewest, meaning which one is the least, not so big, okay? And then you're going to tell me 2 things about the graph. Maybe you can tell me, oh, the shapes are this, or you can tell me, oh, there are this many squares. So tell me at least 2 things about the graph, okay, boys and girls? So you have 3 pictures I need. I need a picture of this when you're finished, and I also need pictures of your Go Math page of P11 and P12. Make sure that you're doing these 3 problems on your own. Please send me those pictures on Seesaw, and I will see you tomorrow.